So here we go. I'm going to try to put one together in front of you as if live. And you take your eggplant and you take a decent amount of your filling and wrap it up like that, nicely wrapped. And then you top it with some of your sauce that we made earlier, and you put a little bit of chopped walnuts, and this is what it looks like. And now let's see what it tastes like. The eggplant, the texture is good because it's so thin, which is nice. The crunch of the walnut's nice. Basically, you have a spinach, onion, garlic, spice mix. This is very good, by the way. Nice little pop to it. And this is actually, for eggplant, pretty darn good.